of a foreign currency in dollars, which means, sorry guys, everything is written in dollars. So for example, 1 yen is 0.006 dollar, right? 1 euro is 1.40 dollar. 1 pound is $2, right? So everything is in dollar, not per dollar, dollar. Everything is mentioned in the price, is the price mentioned in dollar. We call this direct quotation, right? Even if you are in your home country, which is dollar, which is America use dollars. So everything in terms of dollars. How much dollars I paid to get 1 yuan? How much dollars I will pay to get 1 euro? How much pound I will get to pay dollars, right? This is called direct quotation. So if indirect quotation means the number of units of a foreign currency per dollar, so it is the opposite one. Like how much, okay, how much value of my currency in terms of yuan, how much my currency in terms of other currency, how much my own country's currency in terms of the foreign currency. So you see 0.7143 euro is equal to $1. 0.5 pound is equal to $1. If I exchange my home currency with foreign currency, I will get 5 pounds, right? So you notice one thing, that there is a relationship between direct and indirect, and that is, let me remove the mess here. So the indirect quotation is equal to the 1 by direct quotation. So you see here, so if 1 euro is equal to 1.40 dollar, and if you want to find out $1, so $1 would be equals to 1 by 1.4 dollar. You just 1 by 1.04 euro, which is equal to 0.714, come on, 43, right? So it means these are interchange, or direct quotation is equal to 1 over indirect, right guys? So don't just get confused. If you know one quotation, you can convert into other quotation as well. So here we have direct and indirect quotations of different currencies. So you tell me what is direct and what is indirect. Just forget about this. Forget about this. So what is direct quotation? Direct quotation is how much your currency worth of their one currency. So the simple one is Canadian dollar is available to you at 0.66. So that is the direct quotation. So the indirect is 1.51 is basically the units of per dollar. So if you sell or if you sell 1 Canadian dollar, you would be you would be selling 1.51 Canadian dollar. What's going on? You would be selling 1.1 Canadian dollar and receiving $1, right? So don't just get confused. The direct quotation is basically indirect. One by indirect. Come on, one by indirect. Right, so where 1.51 is coming from, 1 divided by 0.66. Answer would be 1.51. Right, so we have given two rates, 0.66 and 0.70. It means one is bid and one is ask. So which one is ask? Remember, ask is always greater than the bid. So this must be ask. Why? Because this is increased, and this must be bid. Why? Because this is a decreased rate. Right? So we have given the quotation here. Let me just remove all this mess here. So the value of 1 Canadian dollar is 0.66 and the value of 1 Canadian dollar is 0.70. So this must be ask and this must be bid. If we want to convert it into indirect, just divide by 1. So this 1 divided by 0.66, answer would be 1.51, and 1 divided by 0.70, answer would be 1.43. Right, guys? This is how they convert. Similarly, euro, Japanese yen, Mexican peso, Swiss franc, UK pound. So this is how they are calculated their indirect and direct costs. So don't just get worried about that. Just focus on the concepts. Then this will be, you automatically drive these stuff. Okay, let's move forward. Any question? If no more question, let's move forward. Now, what is the meaning of increase in the value of the currency and decrease in the value of currency? So here we go. When a euro is appreciating against the dollar, the indirect rate of the euro is declining. Simple word. If the value of the euro is 1.40 and now the value of euro is 1.40, what does it mean? The currency has appreciated. And now answer me, which currency is appreciating? Euro or dollar? Previously it takes 1.40 previously it take 1.40 dollar to buy 1 euro, and now it takes more dollar to buy 1 euro. It means the value of the euro increased, right? So it means dollar is depreciating and euro is appreciating, right? So if you convert this into indirect codes, so it would be otherwise. So the explanation gonna be, previously in $1 we can buy 0.7143 euro, and now in $1 we can only buy 0.6896 euro. It means dollar is depreciating. So if dollar is depreciating, we are seeing the relationship between dollar and euro. So if dollar is depreciating, it means euro is appreciating. Understand, guys? So this is just vice versa. So don't just get confused. Marilyn, understand? Kathleen,
Yes.
Haley, Janlap, Lota, Ping Ping,
Yes.
Crystal.
Yes.
Okay, well done. So
Yeah.
let's talk about the depreciation. So previously €1 was $1.45, and now €1 is 1.40. What does it mean? It means we spend less dollar to buy €1. Okay. Otherwise, the dollar we were purchasing the pound as what happened to writing here? I think some sensor is not just working. So $1.45 we pay to buy €1, right? And now we are paying 1.40 per euro. So which currency is appreciated? Now we have to spend $1.40 to buy €1. It means we pay less dollars. Previously we were paying 1.45 and now we are paying 1.40. It means the dollar is strengthened. Dollar appreciated. If dollar value increase, then of course the otherwise the euro value decrease. Right? You can see this in indirect code as well. Previously, $1 we can purchase 0.689 euro, and now in $1 we can purchase 0.7143 more euro. It means dollar value increase and euro value decrease. So that is a little bit hard concept. It looks simple, but it looks really tricky. So you just need to compare this on, just choose one system, either direct quotation system or either indirect quotation system. You will know that. And remember, there is a difference between direct and indirect. So just if you are dealing in direct, just divide by 1 by direct, you will find out the indirect. So I would suggest you to confirm your concept just only based on one system, direct quotation or indirect quotation. If you are comfortable with understanding direct quotation, then just focus all the concept on direct quotation, and then you will find out the indirect quotation just divided by 1 divided by your answer. That's it, right? So don't get just confused. So you see the relationship between appreciation and depreciation. So this is the direct exchange rate system, and this is the indirect exchange rate system. So this is going like here, and this is going like here. So this is like opposite one. If indirect goes up, direct goes down. If direct goes up, indirect goes down. So this is the relationship between these two. And now cross exchange rates. Okay, before going into cross exchange rate, let's take 10 minutes break and then we start from here. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, no more question. Let's take a 10 minutes break, then we start from here. Okay, class, welcome back after a break. Okay, let's talk about the cross exchange rate. So cross exchange rate is the amount of one foreign currency per unit of another foreign